Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Abong Eka, CPA, tax expert in the Washington, D.C. area. I'm standing outside a coffee shop right now, and I literally was just talking to somebody who does currency trading, and they were trading with Bitcoin. And sometimes on my days off, I go to the coffee shop so I can have a different change of scenery. And I was just talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of the other cryptocurrencies. And he was just talking about how he's going to save money on taxes. And the thing that I didn't say anything while I was listening to him, but I wanted to hear what his thought process was. And he said he'd done some research of his own. He talked to a few people. And then I asked him, are any of those people CPAs? Do any of those people engage in taxes? He said, actually, no, they don't. But he heard from somebody who heard from somebody who heard from somebody. And you probably hear that all the time. Now, that got me thinking about putting something together to help people who are crypto traders, who do Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and a whole host of other cryptocurrencies, and who do ICOs, as well as even foreign Forex currency traders. The thing is this. There are a few things that are missing that people need to know and realize when it comes to taxes. And if you don't do these things right, they literally will come back to bite you in the ass when it comes tax time. And you're going to end up paying more money, or maybe even end up being audited as a result of poor decisions that are made during the year. And so I'm hosting, in the next few days, I'm going to host a live webinar / tax training for people who are into cryptocurrencies, Forex, for those people, to give them some insight as to what to look for and what to do. Now, you're probably wondering who I am to talk about this stuff. I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a CPA, which is a Certified Public Accountant in the Washington, D.C. area. I'm also one of the best-selling authors of Start Me Up, the No Business Plan Business Plan. I'm a TV, a finance, and tax expert contributor, and I also contribute tax and small business information to Bank of America's small business community. Additionally, you may have seen me on television, maybe you haven't, but either way, I go across the country helping small business owners and individuals save money on taxes, get all the tax strategies and deductions that they deserve, and also give them the information and the insight to get, to save their money on taxes. So, after talking to that guy in there, I decided literally to put this training together relatively quickly, because these are questions that I have for some of my clients, and maybe you're in a situation where you want to learn the tax strategies and deductions that you deserve and how to save money on your taxes this year. So all you need to do is click the link below, reserve your seat. Seats are limited. I'm only going to host probably about 100 people on the training, and you're going to have access to ask questions. You're going to have access to the ability to learn whether or not you're a trader or an investor and what that really means from the perspective of the IRS. You're going to learn a lot of the deductions that people are missing out on, and some of the deductions that you may qualify for. And this will increase your tax refund and also keep you compliant with the IRS. Click the link below, reserve your seat, because again, I'm only hosting this training for a select few people who are cryptos, Forexes, you name it. Those who are in that situation, click the link, reserve your seat, and I'll see you on the training.